Hi, this is Raymond Dreyfus, and I'm recording my video for a QR code scanner for ENME 49Y. Let me just show you the setup real quick. We're doing everything hardwired here, so my keyboard and my mouse for my Raspberry Pi. We had issues with the VNC viewer last time. I had an SSH file corruption, so I just ended up deleting the SSH off of both that and my laptop to mitigate any future damages. And so we're just going the old-fashioned hardwired method. So let's go through the code. First thing first, we got to import the necessary packages. We got to start off with our first command to be able to use this mod probe that we use later on. We capture a video frame. We utilize the CB2 QR code detector method. Then we enter this while loop where we read that the video capture, and we then separate it into the data and B box, which are then later used. From here on out, we then see, well, if there is B box, we loop through the B box and we create a line based off of the data we get from the QR code. Then we put the text that we get from the data of the QR code, and that goes right and hovers over the QR code. And then if there is data, we print that data. I added a couple lines myself here. I have another command that I added in here that allows your QR code to be published onto a web browser, because most QR codes nowadays are for web browsers. Like if you use your, like if you go to most restaurants nowadays and you have to use a menu, you just go on your camera, you hit the QR code, and it takes you right to a web browser. So I thought I'd implement that myself. So then I have the system command, break, and yeah. I'll show you guys both the original and my changes to this next.
So first things first, we're going to run the original code just to show the box around the QR code with the ENME 49Y exclamation point. Alright, now we're going to implement my own code, my creative changes, shall I say. Let's save it. And first I'm just going to show you with this one. It said, takes you right to python.org, and if you see in the terminal it says exactly where it's taking you. And now let's run it one more time with a different QR code just to show that it works for multiple. And this one takes you to the University of Maryland student account. Thank you.